Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can use the live text feature and where to find the options for it on your iPhone 16e. So all you have to do to check if the feature works is, for example, have a photo in your photo app with some text on it, for example this one. And if we want to copy some of this text, we can just hold our finger over it. As you can see, we can select the text from the photo, and this works on every photo that is kind of readable, but make sure that you correct the mistakes, because sometimes it, for example, picks up the A as a 4 and vice versa. So just make sure that. And to find the settings of this feature, just go to General, then Keyboard, or not Keyboard, maybe Language and Region. As you can see, you have the live text right here. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.